What's happening, investors? Dean here, and I hope you're all doing well. I am personally doing fantastic, and that is because SOS stock, a stock that we've spoken about on this channel for a week now, is already up over 70% from when we first started speaking about them. And in fact, I am personally up over 100% on SOS stock. So everything is going fantastic for me right now. I'm very happy, and I hope that I've helped you make some money as well. Although I'm not a financial advisor, and these videos are not financial advice, they are for entertainment purposes only. Every stock that we've spoken about on this channel is in the green so far this year, and I'm going to prove it to you. If you can just take 1 second and check out this portfolio right here, I basically add every stock I speak about at the price I speak about it into this portfolio. I've been doing that for this year, and as you can see, if you take a look at the total gain section, every single stock that I've spoken about on this channel this year is in the green. TRXC is still our biggest winner, up 340%. CCIV next, up 236%. And in third place, we have SOS stock, which is what we're speaking about in this video. Is it too late to buy? They have run up so much. Let's have a look at their competition. Let's compare them and let's see, where do we see them going? I do own this company. I have not sold any shares, and I'm not planning to, because I personally think there is a lot of room to run here still. Let's get into the video by taking a look at SOS share price. So another green day. It seems that since we mentioned this stock, it's been green day after green day in the pre-market, in the post-market, and during the day as well. It seems that the whole market is bullish about blockchain, about Bitcoin mining, and about cryptocurrency themselves right now. And this is perfectly represented here. If we have a look at the 5-day chart, you see this dip here. You see where we went from about $6.46 to $5.50. That's when I bought in. And that was because they announced a share offering. So even though they had an offering, that quickly got eaten up, and we even saw a green day on that day. In fact, I personally was up over 30% for that day alone, because I managed to buy that dip on the market open. And I believe the stock for that day finished 17% up in the green. So as you can see, there is a lot of bullish sentiment on this market. Even this dip that we saw here, it just got eaten straight back up, and we spiked right back up. We're up in the after hours, and I suspect we're going to be up tomorrow as well, because this company is so cheap when you compare them to their competition. Have a look at this. Look at this market cap, $623 million. But then let's look at Mara stock, which is another cryptocurrency mining play. They've got a market cap of $4.5 billion. Look at Riot. Riot have a market cap of $5.26 billion. And look at these companies run up. Look at this 1 month. Look at this 6-month run up. The same thing with Mara. 1 month. Look at that run up. 6-month run up. As you can see, both stocks have seen similar gains. But if we look at SOS, we haven't seen that yet. We have not seen a run up as crazy as they have. Yes, sure, we are up a lot. We're up over 600% if you compare them to 6 months ago. But that is still nothing. Look at Mara's 6-month run up, 1,300%. Look at Riot's 6-month run up, 1,800%. In my opinion, based on this alone, SOS stock is going to run up a lot higher. However, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice. Please always do your own research before investing. I'm just telling you what I think I can see happening here, and I'm extremely bullish. I am not selling this stock. I perfectly expect us, and this is going to be my next price prediction. I initially said $15 a share, and we basically got there. Well, I'm still bullish, and I'm increasing my price prediction. I see us going to $25 a share very soon. So now I've gone from 15 to 25. That $25 a share mark does not necessarily mean that's when I'm selling. That's just when I'm gonna look at the stock and say, okay, where do I see next? When's the next target? Of course, if some crazy news comes out, if some bad stuff comes out of this company that changes the company in my perspective fundamentally, then I will sell out. But right now, where do I see us going? I said $15 a share. I think we're going to get there this week. And I think $25 a share, maybe even $30 a share. We're going to see that very, very soon. I personally do not think in my non-professional, non-financial advisor opinion, that it is too late to buy this company right now. Even off the back of this monumental run-up, I think we have a lot more room to grow. And the thing I like about SOS, they're not just doing cryptocurrency mining. They're involved in some other things as well. And I want to show you this article that highlights this. SOS announces development of cutting-edge series of security systems based on blockchain and AI technologies, completing the initial phase of its blockchain strategy. The company announced today that it has completed the initial steps of the execution of its blockchain strategy and successfully developed cutting-edge firewall systems, personal biological information storage system, and antivirus systems, all of which are based on blockchain and AI. Copyright of these software systems has been registered with the PRC Copyright Protection Center. In addition, SOS also owns close to 100 software copyrights and 4 certifications, all of which are related to cloud computing for rescue and insurance marketing and blockchain-based infrastructure. These intellectual property assets demonstrate a solid and complete ecosystem for marketing solution for the rescue service and insurance industry based on blockchain, big data, AI, 5G, and satellite network in compliance with the industry, national and international standards such as ICO, etc. So they are involved in a lot. They're developing systems, they're developing software protection systems, they're involved in cloud. So there's a lot more here. They're using blockchain, not just to mine Bitcoin, but to do other things, which gets me really excited, which tells me, do they have the potential to run up even bigger than the other stocks? Can they run up higher than Mara stock? Can they run up higher than Riot stock? I personally think long term, if all of this pays out, they possibly can. However, there are some other things to consider with the other companies. For example, Mara have a lot more money invested in Bitcoin miners. They're projected to have a lot more over the next few years. They have a massive order in place right now. However, SOS on the other hand did a share offering for $110 million, and they could easily put that money into more Bitcoin mining machines, which would then definitely justify the 10x valuation, which would definitely tell me that they should be trading equal to, if not higher than Mara and Riot stocks, which would be crazy to see. And there's one more thing also I need to include. Mara has done other things. They've also invested a lot of money into Bitcoin. As Bitcoin goes up, which is something that we're kind of betting on here, when we're buying these Bitcoin mining stocks, we're also hoping that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies continue to go up. As they go up, Mara would also see a nice return on that investment, which should be considered. I don't see why SOS can't do this in the future. However, with that money that SOS got from their share offering, I would personally rather see them buy more Bitcoin miners and look at that as another investment maybe down the track. I am very bullish on this company. I do see this as still a buy right now. I do see a massive potential run up here and possibly even a 10x company in the future, as long as these things go into play. If I see them buying more miners, investing into Bitcoin continuing to rally, I perfectly see them catching up to those other big stocks like Mara. I don't see why they can't do that. So I'm very bullish on this company. I am not selling. I've increased my price target. It's no longer $15 a share. We're now looking at $25 to $30 a share. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are not financial advice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Check out my other video on SOS stock where I break down the company more in depth. I'll leave it at the end of this one. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Every stock that we've spoken about is in the green. Subscribe, turn on notifications. Until next time, have a good one.